You are correcting your child, but you are also damaging their brain. That harsh word, that slap, that cold silence, it may seem small to you, but it can change the way your child's brain grows. And no love letter that erases the scars. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, we are going to look at some of the parenting mistakes that will affect your child's brain growth. So we are going to look at what is bad parenting, why does it happen, how does it affect the growth of your child's brain, and what is the lifelong impact to toddlers and adults, and how can we cure this. So, what is bad parenting? Bad parenting is not about one mistake. It is a consistent pattern of negative, harsh, or regretful behavior that harm a child's emotional, mental, and physical development. Some of the bad parenting practices include verbal abuse, like yelling, shaming, physical abuse, like beating, slapping, emotional neglect, ignoring the child's feeling, over control, not letting the child express themselves, inconsistency, favoritism, or threats. So the most dangerous parenting style, one that makes the child persistently feel unsafe, unloved, or invisible. So take note of that. So why does bad parenting happen? Even loving parents, sometimes they can make mistakes, but bad parenting comes from unhealed trauma or past wounds from how you are parented yourself. Sometimes burnout as a parent, stress, or poverty. Then lack of parenting education. Sometimes you feel like by just having children makes you a parent. You need to learn some of the skills to be able to take care of your children and be able to take them care of them in a productive and healthy way. Then parents who have mental health issues. Then you have some cultural beliefs. Beating builds discipline. So hurt people hurt other people. But healed parents also help others to heal. So how does bad parenting affect your child's brain growth? Bad parenting not just cause emotional pain, it reshapes the brain. Some of the scientific facts about this. Chronic yelling and fear raise cortisol levels, harming memory and learning. Physical or emotional abuse shrinks the hippocampus, affecting emotional regulation. Neglect limits neural connection, impairing language, empathy, and listening. Harsh parenting alters prefrontal cortex development, affecting attention, focus, and decision making. The child brain grows fastest in the first 5 years. What you say and do literally becomes who they are. So this is an important period in a child's growth period because the thing that this child experiences can affect their growth and their brains lifelong. So let's look at some of the impact of bad parenting across a child's life. Early childhood, from 0 years to 5 years, it leads to delayed milestones. fearful or aggressive behavior, poor sleep, and excessive crying. Then you have middle childhood, 6 to 12 years, low self-esteem, learning difficulties, and risky sexual behavior or even self-harm. Adulthood. Now we have 13 to 19 years, the adolescence age. Rebellion or withdrawal, anxiety, depression, or substance abuse. Then we have risky sexual behavior or self-harm. Then we have adulthood. Toxic relationships, difficult trusting or parenting their own kids, chronic stress, trauma, or even criminal behavior. What is the cure to bad parenting? There is hope and change is possible. Ask, would I talk to an adult the way I talk to my child? Ask that question always. Practice positive discipline. Start with self-awareness. Use consequences, not beatings. Correct in love, not anger. Praise effort, not just the results. Learn emotional coaching. Teach your child to name and manage their emotions. Validate their feelings, even when you say no. Apologize and reconnect. A heartfelt "I'm sorry" teaches humility and trust. Reconnection after disciplines heals wounds. Seek help. Parenting classes, therapy, church and family life programs can help you to get back on track. Heal your inner child to become a better parent. So change starts with you. Your child doesn't need a perfect parent, just one who is willing to grow. Every moment you choose connection over control, love over fear, you are rewiring their brain for joy, security, and success. Share this video with the parents who needs hope. Comment, "I choose to grow" if you are breaking the cycle. Subscribe for weekly parenting wisdom that builds strong hearts and sharp minds. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video.